Hi, I'm David Wilton, Director of TPAS Cymru, and I wanted to talk to you today about fire safety update in light of Grenfell and what's happening at the moment, and an event I attended today. You're probably aware in Westminster there was 3 streams of action. One is the official inquiry into Grenfell, very important piece of work, and I believe that's going to report later in the year. There was the testing programme, testing all the panels, and that provided a lot of clarity on what was safe and what wasn't. And I think to me, the most important piece was the independent review of building regulations and fire safety, chaired by Dame Judith Hackitt, and that's what we're going to come on to in a minute. Before that though, in Wales we haven't been sitting still. The Welsh Government have been doing a lot of work, local authorities, the fire service. We've seen some excellent work in Newport City Homes and Swansea Council. And myself, I've been sitting on the Minister's Fire Safety Advisory Group. We're close to finishing our recommendations to the Minister. But yeah, let's get back to the review, the independent review of building regs. So it's chaired by Dame Judith Hackitt, and she was in Cardiff today. And there was professionals, housing people, health and safety, fire service, all these types of people as you'd expect. And myself, as TPAS Director, went along with 2 tenants from Newport City Homes. And first thing I want to say is that before we go into some of the things we discussed, I was impressed with her. I was impressed with her commitment. She wants change. She doesn't want the status quo. And she mentioned a few things that I thought were worth writing down in my minutes here. And it's not just changes to words, building regs, but she wants real system change. She talked a lot about the life cycle of a building, not just a build, but how do we keep it safe going forward? Meeting the rules is not enough. She wants greater penalties for not having safe buildings. And if you notice there, I haven't used the word compliance, because she talks a lot about that. Compliance does not equal safe. Compliant buildings are not necessarily safe buildings. We've got 100 high rises in Wales, and it's not about just the cladding. It's how we view the whole building integrity and who is responsible for making our buildings safe. So, as I say, I was impressed. I think it was also mentioned I was impressed with Kevin and David from Newport City Homes. They represented tenants really well of high-rise buildings. They did a great job. They made some great points, and Dame Judith Hackitt really valued their contribution. So, if this has been of interest, and you want to discuss it further, give me a call, or contact us through the website. But yeah, more than happy to discuss this, whether it's today or in the future, anything that's going on at the moment on fire safety. So thank you very much. Speak to you soon.